Welcome back to Let's Mom. So today's video I have a grocery haul for you, and we went on and shopped for the rest of the month, and so we spent quite a bit. We haven't really did a lot of grocery shopping this month. We've just been kind of using what we have. So let me turn it around and I will show you what we got. I thought I would show you guys a quick glimpse into the pantry, just to show you that we are like almost out of everything. I mean, this is it. This is probably one of the most bare times that we've got a lot of rice, which is good because I have some recipes I'm going to use that for. But this is what it's looking like in the pantry. And this is that other cabinet that I have, and it's pretty bare as well. I do have like some tomato products left over, and I kind of planned meals with these items as well because that's what I try to do. And just like our usual couple of ramen down there. I do have one all-purpose flour down here, and you'll see I purchased another one, and that's just because I have a ton of baking I'm going to be doing this week. And that's it. That is all we have in here. Just some like vinegar and cranberry sauce, but yeah, that's pretty much it. And as far as the fridge goes, it is extremely bare. We do have a little bit of milk and some heavy whipping cream, one little leftover bit of salad, a little bit of cheese, not much. Some meat I put in there to defrost, and then some salad. And I did have enough onions. I didn't need to pick any of those up. And we did need a few items in our like condiment sections, but that's pretty much it. Pretty bare. And not to I think everybody knows this trick. It's where you put the candle, when it doesn't burn all the way down, you can put it in here and then it'll pop out and you can put this in your wax melt. That's why that's in here. I know that's really random, but that's why it's in there. I do have like the rest of the turkey bones. I need to make some broth with that. But I mean, pretty much it's pretty empty too. I need to kind of clean it out and see what I have, but that's a little look at the freezer. And I cannot show you my deep freezer because I have a bunch of produce on it, but there's not a lot in there. Okay, getting started, I thought I would show you kind of all the like baking supplies that I picked up. And I did pick up 2 dozen eggs. I picked up these holiday pretzels. I think they're like different shapes, like Christmas trees and stars and maybe bells. And then I picked up the bugles. I'm gonna be making sort of like a Christmas crack, I think is what it's called, and it's basically just where you put like pretzels and bugles and like Chex Mix, and then you do like some candies and different, and then you drizzle it with like white chocolate. I might film some of the baking and I might show you guys that, but it's just a recipe that I found on Pinterest, so it looks pretty simple. So I'm gonna give it a try, and that's what that's for. I picked up some more granulated sugar and another bag of all-purpose flour because I have like a bunch of different cookies I'm gonna be baking. Got some brown sugar, a couple of bags of semi-sweet chocolate, and 1 bag of white chocolate, some food coloring, 2 things of vanilla extract. I got these white chocolate, like, I guess they're not really white chocolate, but they're like candy melting wafers. I'm not sure. This is what I'm going to use for the Christmas crack though. And then some dried cranberries because I'm going to be making some white chocolate cranberry cookies. Some brownie mix for these cute little brownie Christmas trees that we're going to make. And then some yellow cake mix because this goes in the Christmas cake batter cookies I'm making. I got some just vanilla frosting for some stuff. Needed some more baking soda. The Chex Mix is for the Christmas crack, so I got that. Fettuccine, because on Christmas Eve we usually make fettuccine Alfredo, so that's what that's for. Got our dark roast coffee, some garlic powder, just a container of applesauce for the pantry, some green beans, just some like local honey, whole cranberries for the ham that we'll have on Christmas Day. I got some little macaroni and cheese. No one in the house likes it except for my youngest, so these will be lunches for her if she would like them. Some ketchup, ranch dressing. This is our favorite hot sauce. It's just the Tabasco Chipotle sauce, and it's the kind that they actually have at Chipotle, and it is so good. Some of our fruit punch mix. And then I picked up these meatballs. I've never had them before, but I'm gonna make my kids like meatballs and pasta for some lunches this week. I thought that would be a nice treat. So I'm gonna do that. And then I just picked up some honey for some, sandwiches, some honey uncured ham for sandwiches. A couple of packs of bacon, some pepperoni, some chicken thighs, and they were on markdown to $3.57. Just picked up some ground beef to have, some sausage, and then I picked up the split chicken breast. Just an affordable option. If you're looking for an affordable option, this is a great one. And then I just picked up some chicken breast. And then here's the ham we picked up for Christmas Day. That's what we decided to do. Got some bread, some corn tortillas, King's Hawaiian bread. Okay, we got some garlic bread as well. This is to go with our fettuccine for Christmas Eve. We're keeping it pretty simple, and of course, I'm gonna be baking a ton, so we'll have lots of treats as well. Our roll butter that we like to get, some mozzarella cheese, Parmesan cheese, just some spreadable butter, pancakes, a couple of things of yogurt. I hate yogurt, but my husband likes it, and the kids like vanilla, so that's what we got. We like to do cinnamon rolls for Christmas morning. Another just keep it simple kind of thing. So that's what we're doing for Christmas morning breakfast. Monterey Jack cheese, some cheddar cheese, whole milk, 2 containers of heavy whipping cream. Okay, and then here's some snack foods that I got for the kids' lunches this week. It's their last week before Christmas break, so I didn't get too much to last us through the 2 weeks that they'll be off, but I just figure they're gonna be home, I'm here, we can do some baking and different things. But I picked up some Cheez-Its, some applesauce to take for school lunches, some granola bars, just a pack of cookies, and then the Takis, which they always get into before I even get to film. These are for my daughter's Christmas holiday party at school. Just some little mini cupcakes. We did get some soda. And guys, this is one of my favorite things. I just discovered it this year, and it just comes out for the holidays, and it's the cranberry ginger ale. This stuff is so, so good. I love it. So if you haven't tried it, you need to try it. It's awesome. What else did I get? Let's see. I got some good nights for my youngest, some dish soap, some of this blood orange shower cream. These were on clearance. The Etos, I'm not sure how to say that, but anyway, it's pretty good. We got some foil wrap, some parchment paper, trash bags, some paper plates just to have for, Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, just so that I'm not doing too many dishes. Some tissue paper and paper towels. And this is just a little, I did pick up some other stuff. This is from Dollar Tree, but I just thought I would share it with my Food Lion haul. I picked up more than this, but a lot of it is Christmas stocking stuff, so I can't share that. But I just picked up some cutlery here. I picked up one of these little trays. I have another one, and then I have some little bags that I'm going to give some treats away to different people. So, but I wanted another one of these, and these are so cute for $1. So I just got this little Santa Claus. I picked up an array of like foil containers because at the grocery store they can be so expensive, and you can get them at Dollar Tree, and there's 2 that come in these. This one, let's see, this one doesn't have 2, but it's a little bit bigger, but like the smaller one has 2 in it. And then that's for the ham, for easy cleanup. But, I mean, why pay more if you don't have to? So I got those at Dollar Tree. And I had to put stuff on my freezer because I ran out of space. It was such a huge grocery haul. But this is the produce, and I'll see if I can do this without it all falling off. But I just needed a few carrots, so I got those. I went on and opted and got like some already cleaned and cut up broccoli. I got several different salad kits, a couple of Caesar, and then just the sweet butter lettuce. Some cilantro. Oh, a pomegranate. We have never actually tried a pomegranate before, so we're gonna give it a try. It was on sale, and I thought it would be fun to try it out and see if we like it. Did I say limes? I got limes and lemons. I got some bananas, some avocados, jalapenos, tomatoes. Let's see, I got some asparagus and some russet potatoes and some red potatoes. I think that's it. That is it for our grocery haul. It was a pretty large grocery haul, and I think we're done for the rest of the month. Hopefully, we'll see. We still have a ton of room in the budget. We didn't go over. I think we did pretty well this month with our grocery budget. So if we do need to run out and pick up some stuff, it's no big deal. We can do it. But I was trying to get the bulk of everything, just so if we do have to go, it'll be really quick. And look forward to a video this week. I have a couple of videos. I have one that I'm working on right now that's sort of a 'tis the season for a ghost story video, which I think is going to be really fun. And then I'm also going to share some of these treats that I'm baking and fixing up. So I will see you next time. I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. Take care. Bye.